I am going to demonstrate one glass drawing in pencil how to do the roughly, and there is the object. I'm going to do the drawing whatever it look like. So this is the quick drawing to one of the two girl is coaching. One is Nigdita. One is, what is your name again? जुरे जुरे बोलो जुरे. Uh-huh. So two girl, one is Nigdita is doing her work, and I'm going to show her actually how to do the drawing. I'm going to do the tone actually. I'm going to start from actually. I like little bit rough and crazy, but thing is, this is IMA Foundation Anubhav. We are trying to look after our Tripura girls and boys. Basically, they are in isolated time. They are a bit bored in their house. We like to give them little bit idea about how benefit they can get during this time. Not to get worried. They can continue thinking and doing work. So we are 50 artists standby from Tripura. We like to look after our Tripura children, and not only children, we are asking parents to join this oil. Any age welcome. This is the glass I'm trying to do. My name is Radha Binod Sharma. I'm from Tripura. I love my area, so I like to look after my people in Tripura. I love India, all of Indian, but past my house, my hometown, Tripura, I want to look after. This is, I'm just showing how to do the glass drawing. Whatever I seen in this sequence, I'm just trying to build that actually. So Anubhav is Rabindranath Tagore, one of the sentiment we try. This is called Jivan Sriti. In life, there is a lots of positive and negative. Those are deep involvement we can't forget. So from Anubhav, from Jivan Sriti, we took the Anubhav sentiment. We are trying to do the positive only. So all Tripura, lots of children we train this time, and we are very lucky to have lovely children from our state of Tripura. So today is two little girls. Both are just 10 plus. So this is the vital time for actually all of children, because I remember when I was in Tripura before going to Santiniketan. I used to in Akabuki Art School. My teacher teach me this method. Today I'm trying to sharing with all of Tripura children how to look after. Each children is different economical condition, political condition, mentality, gene. So train them like their own way, and they make them confidence. So through work, I'm trying to look after them. So I tell you, I done my master degree in Baroda, Faculty of Fine Arts, one of the leading university in art. And Santiniketan, I done my degree in painting. Today, whatever I'm doing in my artwork, whatever, keep learning and keep trying to success. Basically, seeing the vision actually. This is from my child art school, Akabuki. And of course, I learned from Santiniketan as well, but most important thing is your growth when it was very sensitive time. That's why age 8 to age 14 is very important for me, because example is me. I was not good in education because I was dyslexic, but today I understand that art saved my life, that my Tripura saved my life. Tripura is lovely. I love Tripura. I learned lots of sentiment from my mom and dad too. And today whatever I'm doing, most of thing is from Tripura actually. I love my Tripura. If I can give little bit return my Tripura, I'll be one of the success man. I think boy still I am because I'm learning. That's it. Thank you, Rani.